You gotta do something, please. He's never gonna let me go.
I've got deep pockets in this community, and we watch out for our own. Hope you remember that. Oh, hey, that's a piss-poor move. You think I won't shoot you in my shop, huh?
This is a robbery. Open that register.
A dollar's that damn important to you? Fine, then, I'll open the register.
We ain't done yet. Want to see what's in that basement of yours?
Nothing to no worse down there, I swear.
Why don't I be the judge of that? Open it. Now!
All right, all right. I ain't got nothing to hide. I got my boy sleeping down there. It's such a shame to wake him. You know, you could always come back after he wakes up.
You just stay away from me.
Know what I tell you about talking to your pa that way?
Oh, thank God.
Don't shoot me, please. Just leave us be.
Why are you wearing that sailor suit?
That crazy maniac put me in it. He thinks I'm his kid's son. Kid. Oh, finally. Thank you. Thank you. You sick
I'm sorry.
son of a-
Please forgive me. I know it was wrong. I just couldn't face that he was gone. I was teaching Sammy how to hold the rifle proper out by the river.
The recoil shot him backwards.
He slipped into the river. The water pulled him downstream so quick. It all happened so fast, I didn't know what to do.
I searched up and down that riverbank for days.
But I couldn't find my boy. I just miss him so much.
And you?
You remind me of him.
You look just like him.
I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
It's too late for apologies. You just count yourself lucky that I don't kill you for what you did.
Don't know what else you want from me. Take what you want. I don't care anymore.
Is that what they're wearing in Paris these days?
Come on, girl. One more time.